In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a recovery email address to your Gmail account step by step. This is a simple but very important setting because it helps you regain access to your Google account if you ever forget your password, get locked out, or need to verify that it's really you. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. This will take you directly to your Google account security settings. Once the page loads, sign in to the Gmail or Google account where you want to add the recovery email. If you're not already signed in, enter your email address and password to continue. After you're signed in, scroll down until you find the section called How You Sign In to Google. This is where Google keeps the main sign-in and recovery options for your account. Look for the option labeled Recovery Email and click on it. If you have never added one before, you should see an Add Recovery Email button. If one is already set, you may see an edit option instead. Click the option that applies to your account. Now enter the email address you want to use as your recovery email. Make sure it's an email you can access regularly because Google will send a verification code to that inbox. After typing the email address, click Next. At this point, Google will send a code to the recovery email address you entered. Go to that inbox and find the message from Google, then copy the verification code. Come back to the Google account page and enter that code in the verification box. Once the code is entered correctly, click Confirm. After that, click Save to finish adding the recovery email to your Google account. And that's it. Your Gmail account now has a recovery email setup, which gives you an extra layer of protection and makes account recovery much easier in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.